Time to talk shit. Hey guys, so we're at the Tamar Wetlands. We just finished the wetlands part and then we came onto this little island, and I thought it was going to be a nice island in the middle of the wetlands or in the middle of water, but it turns out it's just a fucking hill. But yeah, it was definitely a really good walk coming up through the wetlands, and I'll show you some clips of that as well. Coming up to the top of the hill, pretty nice view. Quick water break, and then off to the end of our walk. Nice scenery around, got some wheat. Definitely a very cute walk. Pretty easy, said about 1.5 hours there and back, but I think we finish it in less than an hour. And then yeah, gonna try and catch the sunset, and we'll try and show you that as well. Harry Potter chair. Reached the end point in this vast kind of water area. So beautiful. You can definitely retire here. So walking back to the car, hopefully it's a little bit nicer because the sun is setting, and then we can show you a little bit of the sunsets in Tasmania. Unfortunately it's a bit too overcast for the sunset, and it looks like this. We got a little bit Let me take you to the water and it'll look a bit better. So apparently we're at the bird hide. I think people come here and they do a little bit of bird watching and take shots of birds, I think. This little tavern cave looking thing. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the vlog. I'm wearing my hat right now because my hair is really long and ugly. Planning to cut it, and I might show you guys how I cut my hair normally. But as always, health, happiness and humility. We'll see you next time.